Going to learn about the grammar of NAZENARA. The grammar of NAZENARA is mean that because or the reason is or if you want to know why or something. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of NAZENARA, you can use begin by some result and followed by NAZENARA and followed by the reason. Because we use the NAZENARA is had the meaning that because or the reason, right? And sometimes after NAZENARA you can put ba. For example, the reason, the result, NAZENARA ba, and followed by the reason. Because what is the reason should you put in the reason? And is the structure of how to use the grammar of NAZENARA. Sometimes you can put the result, but sometimes you don't need. Just depend to the situation that you're talking about. You want to explain from your feeling by using NAZENARA, which means because or the reason. The reason you do that, you can put, right? The reason you don't come to JLPT, you put, right? So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of NAZENARA, the next let's go to see some example. The first example, なぜかというと、私は本が好きだからです。なぜかというと、私は本が好きだからです。Which means that the reason is because I like books. The reason is because I like books. The next example, なぜなら彼は病気だったからです。なぜなら彼は病気だったからです。Which means the reason is because he was sick. The reason is because he was sick. For the first sentence, they use the なぜかというと is you can use the なぜかというと or you can use なぜなら It has the same meaning, so don't be confused. And it have the meaning that because, right? なぜかというと私は本が好きだからです。And they put the reason right after なぜなら or なぜかというと after the grammar they put the reason. The reason that because I like books, right? So they don't put the result, but they put the reason. And for the second sentence, they use なぜなら彼は病気だったからです。After なぜなら they put the reason, right? That 病気だった which means he was sick. The reason is he was sick because he was sick. But by some time that maybe he did not come to join the party or did not come to join the some situation, right? Or some event because he was sick. So he just said only he was sick because the reason he was sick, but they don't explain the situation. It was a party, it was a meeting, something they don't explain, but they just explain the reason that what happened with him, right? The next example, 買いたいけど買いません。なぜならばお金がないからです。買いたいけど買えません。なぜならお金がないからです。Which means that I want to buy it, but I cannot. The reason is because I have no money. I want to buy it, but I cannot. The reason is because I have no money. In this sentence, they say the result, right? 買いたいけど買いません. That means you want to buy, but you cannot. And they put the reason after the なぜなら。なぜならばお金がないからです。which means I don't have money. I have no money. Like, so after NAZENARA, they put a reason why before of the NAZENARA happened. That means he want to buy, but he cannot. Or I want to buy, I cannot because I don't have money. Something like this. An example. 学校を変えた。なぜならサッカー部がなかったからです。学校を変えた。なぜならサッカー部がなかったからだ。Which means that I changed schools because there was no soccer club at my own school. I changed schools because there was no soccer club at my own school. After the NAZENARA, they put the result, right? The result that the reason that what happened before the NAZENARA. What happened before NAZENARA is that Gakko Kaita, which means he changed his school, right? Why he changed? So after NAZENARA, he put a reason. Sakabu ga nakatta kara desu, which means there was no soccer club in his own school, so he changed. So you can use the NAZENARA to explain the situation like this. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。